Today you are going to be working on recognizing common fractions and percents. So let's just go over a few of them quickly. If we have two equal parts and we have none of those two equal parts, we have nothing, which is 0%. If we have one of those two parts, that's half or 50%. So 50% means half. And if we have both of the two equal parts, we have the whole thing, which is 100%. If we have three equal parts, again, if we have none of them, 0%, all of them, 100%. 1/3 is 33%. And to double check that, you can always do 1 divided by 3 in a calculator, and this is what you'll get. 2/3 is 67%. You can get that by doing 2 divided by 3 in a calculator and then rounding. So these are ones that you really want to memorize. All right, 4 equal parts. Think of quarters, okay? 0 is nothing. 1 of 4 quarters is 25 cents or 25%. 2 quarters, 50 cents or 50%. 3 of them is 75%, and of course all of them is 100% or a whole entire dollar. If we have 5 equal parts, I like to kind of think of it as having 5 $20 bills. Altogether, that would add up to $100 or 100%. So if we have no $20 bills, then it would be 0%. If we have one of those 5 $20 bills, 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, and 100% if we have all of them. So these are some common fractions that you are going to see throughout the rest of your math career. So you really want to try to memorize these. So we're going to play a Gimkit today to just practice all of these fractions and percents.